Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious seafood chowder. First, render about 4 ounces of bacon until crispy, then set it aside. Next, sauté 1 cup of diced onion and 1 cup of celery in the bacon fat for about 5 minutes until softened. Now, add 2 cups of diced potatoes and 4 cups of good quality fish stock. Bring this to a gentle simmer and cook until the potatoes are tender, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Once your potatoes are tender, it's time to build that creamy chowder base. Gently stir in 1.5 cups of heavy cream and half a cup of whole milk, keeping the heat low. Now, carefully add 1 pound of your favorite mixed seafood, such as fresh cod, shrimp, and scallops. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to enhance all those wonderful flavors. With the seafood added, bring your chowder to a very gentle simmer. Cook for just 5 to 7 minutes or until the seafood is opaque and cooked through. It's crucial not to overcook the seafood, as it can become tough. Keep a close eye on it. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. This adds a lovely burst of color and a fresh, herbaceous note that really brightens up the entire dish. Your incredible seafood chowder is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the hot, creamy chowder into warm bowls. Crumble that crispy bacon you set aside earlier over the top for a fantastic textural contrast and smoky flavor. Serve it immediately with some crusty bread, perfect for soaking up every last drop. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it. This chowder is a comforting meal that's sure to impress everyone at your table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.